The first step of creating a dashboard using BI tool is connect to data. The first step is to connect to the data sources that you want to use in your dashboard. This can be done by selecting the Get Data button in the Home tab, and then selecting the appropriate data source. You can choose from a variety of data sources, such as Excel spreadsheets, CSV files, SQL Server databases, and more. The second step is to transform the data. Once you have connected to your data sources, you may need to transform the data to make it suitable for your dashboard. This can be done using Power BI's data transformation tools, which allow you to clean and reshape your data. You can use the Transform Data button in the Home tab to access these tools. The next step is to create data model. After you have transformed your data, you can create a data model that will serve as the foundation for your dashboard. This involves defining relationships between tables, creating calculated columns and measures, and setting up hierarchies and filters. You can use the Data tab to create and manage your data model. The next step is to design dashboard. Once your data model is set up, you can begin designing your dashboard. This involves selecting the visualizations that you want to use, such as charts, tables, and maps, and configuring them to display the data you want. You can use the Visualizations pane to add and configure visualizations, and the Fields pane to select the data that you want to display. The second last step is to add interactivity. To make your dashboard more engaging and interactive, you can add features such as drill downs, slicers, and filters. These features allow users to explore the data and gain insights. You can use the Format and Visualizations panes to add interactivity to your dashboard. And the last step of creating a dashboard using BI tool is publish and share. Finally, once your dashboard is complete, you can publish it to the Power BI service and share it with others. This allows others to view and interact with your dashboard, and provides a platform for collaboration and sharing insights. You can use the Publish button in the Home tab to publish your dashboard, and the Share button to share it with others.